Kuya siya, Roxy!
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard on elevation side 2.
Hello po!
With the cruising 9,500
Can I sit here with you
for
na?
the detention square by 3 5 and seat pass outside your flight to the border line.
Medyo ako talaga hindi. Talaga ba si Chef? Hindi mo siya. Totoo naman.
Sa accommodation, ang hirap din sa isla. Hindi siya nagbubula. Ang hirap.
Sure ka?
Wala, pwede pa kompleto.
Gusto ko yung ano, gusto. Matapang ang duman.
Sorry.
Let's party in the house. Matamis siya. Alam, pero fresh ko dito sobra. Grabe ka, winyeka! Babe, cute na pusa, babe! So cute! Hello! So we have soccer field here inside MOA. Kisha. Books. Ang paningin hetabi. Sorry. Bakit hindi kayo nag-rampa?
Mas mabilis na tayo.
During the boarding process. In any time, please remain seated and wait for your boarding announcement to start. On behalf of the children present with your Manila ground staff, we thank you for playing with us and we wish you all the safe and pleasant life.
Dapat kumain muna saka mag-inom eh.
Tunog na.
Hello.
O, mag-hi ka. Kahit sa vlog ko mag-hi.
Baby, ka dito siya.
Tabi yung dalawa.
Ikaw mag-split ka, bigyan mo muna ka rito.
Sorry po ha. Okay na po.
For snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you are advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exit.
Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Taoyuan International Airport in Taipei, Taiwan.
Local time now is 55 minutes past the hour of 12 in the morning, and there's no time difference between Manila, Philippines and Taipei. Ground temperature is
Nice. Hello. Where's Bernard Naan? Welcome to Taipei.
Welcome to Bangkok.
Sawadee ka. Naan. Shy. Bernard. Michaela? Mika. I'm sorry. Hanggang saan naabot po ang boots ni Bakla? Gusto ko wala ka na patient.
Mas mabilis talaga ito.
Yan, Binyo.
Taiwan!
Silamit ka pa.
Welcome to Thailand.
Ano Thailand? Ano mali ka ng bansa?
Oh, sorry. Hala, parang mali atong nasakyan natin na flight number. So it's just the three of us.
Because it's for the boy.
Yes. Huwag ka mag-girit na. Hello po. Ang mga friendship ko na mayayaman. Cute naman ang outfit mo, Bibi. The weather here is cold. It's still cold. Kuya Mike. Kuya Mike.
Nakita na natin yung mga popular na
Hindi, ayaw maniwala.
Na ano?
Naiinip siya pagka... Hindi siya totally mainit. Pag nasa labas ka din, huwag mainit.
Pero yung weather dito.
Kahit si Pidoy talaga yun.
Oh, si Pidoy pa. Bullshit ka talaga, Pidoy.
Follow the runway.
Okay, Mike. It's 3 in the morning here and
It's 3:17 in the morning.
we don't know where we are.
Hindi, try nyo ko dito.
Tara.
Hindi, pagkainan yun nagiging. Pag may item.
Kanina, doon sa isang item sa airport. Tapos na yun.
Nag-struggle ka.
Struggle is 3. This is the third struggle. The first one is in the airport. Wow. Oh my god.
Picture ka ng
After 3 disasters.
day. Perfect na travel.
Kapag nung Thailand namin, meron din siya. Hindi na alam kung nakapag-withdraw. Hindi wala ng machine yung card ko.
The room is so
Pero walang
cute. This is their toilet with toothbrushes. The room is so cute. The view outside is not giving, but inside is very cutesy, very demure.
Very aesthetic. Yeah.
Hello guys, good morning. Bugs. It's two. Andito talaga.
Why isn't there over today? Net market na talaga. Paparating na. Patay yung station.
Hindi. Asan yung play?
Start button.
Ito.
Yung control sa tamas, yung ginaganaw.
Baka ito pa. Gusto ko nga ng ganito sa bahay.
Perfect.
This carpet closure sa glass.
Hello po. It's very cold. Girl, it's cold. It's cold. It's cold.
Sikaw.
So cute. And the weather is so cold. We're here now in Ximending. I know it dito sa Ximending. Ximending na ba to? One Wa. Ano ba? Basta na dito kami sa Taipei. Ang mga person. I love the weather. It's cold, but the outfit is giving ano. The outfit is summering. The short is summering, but the weather is wintering.
It's not giving.
Katawa, ang daming ano, ang daming claw machine. A lot of graffiti. Pagkaon. And hala! Bravo yan! So cute. Okay, Mike. Ganda! Bugs! Ay! Bugs! Ganda gate. Prepare na mga tao. Sige, sige. Pagraragas ka mo. Ha? Ito cute. It's so healthy. Sige lang, pagpano lang. Kailangan ko lang makakaputan. Ito mala hot pot. Ilalaban ang boots sa day 1. Gosh. Parang hindi umiyak kahapon talaga sa boots. Hello. Boots.
Kami pamili dito, isang garlic. Pili pa kayo dyan. Are we going to order there? Or just...
Boots.
We're the ones pick our yeah.
Let's go get her.
I think so.
Kaya Mike. Ganda.
Video to ha.
And we are now in
Mala hot pot.
Mala hot pot, and the serving here is self-service.
Serving.
Self-service.
We have here the gas stove.
Takalan.
This is the garlic
Clam.
soup, garlic clam, and collagen. Because we need collagen. We badly need it.
Collagen hot pot. It's contains Chinese herb and seafood. Please consume with care for those the allergy consumption. Oh, pregnancy. Contains garlic, seafood, and alcohol. Oh, it's a alcohol.
Hindi pwede sa pregnant. We also have here a choice of drink.
Bulaklak talaga.
Hello, kabog. Bog. Sabi ng mga cha nyo, be herb tea. The Twinings is here, but the herb tea is giving. And we also have here a lychee.
What's that? Ano yun?
I think it's ice.
Ala ko, ano, boba.
Hello? Did you madal ko po? And we're gonna choose something. Ah, sorry. Tara lang tayo. So yum. The food is giving na. But we still don't know the rules.
Hindi ko nito na kung benda benda. Kailangan dito na lang.
Hola. Now it's more colorful. Look at that. So yummy. Books, kaganda naman niya. And he's getting the ice cream. We have different flavors. Oh my god. Look at this.
Is it matcha?
It's not matcha. It's green tea.
Okay, let's go.
Thrill giving.
Huwag na one scoop na lang para mag-try ka. Dito na, hinarap mo ito. Hindi na kumakain? Hindi.
Ice cream for dessert. Wala, parang si, Shaina. Shine.
Let's just check first.
So cute. Cute case.
Wala. Ang babay sa malikod ang
You like it medyo dark, Pinoy, or... So...
Maganda din Feliz. Oh my god. Shit. Nakakalula. Shit ka ba?
It's... We're not at the top of the world.
Pag sa Pilipinas, ang pangit. Oo, kung camera ng iPhone, hindi ko ma-appreciate pag sa Pilipinas. Pero pag di shit.
Ano yun mo?
Wala pa. Ang cute naman ito. What you've got pa? Bugs!
Pabili mo yan, yung ganito mo.
Hindi mo gosh.
Na kayo? Hindi po. Kukuha pa siya ng
Hello! Nice one. Bye-bye! This is the Rainbow Street of Miss Shy, Mr. Mike. Hello. And we have Nike.
Adidas over there.
Miss Kuday. And Adidas. Adidas is here. And that is the train station. Shimen Station. Ito lang yung mic na rin. Tapos sa shot lang natin. Okay na. Say hi! Si bakla hindi maka-video kaya mga tao sa gitna. Go na girl, go! 1, 2, 3, go! Lakad.
Sige na, wala.
What's the next fair?
They have different section. Hindi magkasya ang paa ni bakla. Bakla hati ilang ng boots ko, B.
Welcome to Taiwan.
Welcome to Taiwan. Welcome to
Taiwan.
Welcome to Stairway to Heaven. Hoy!
Oh my God.
So cute. Alam mo yung mga building dito, hindi siya palapad. Paano siya? Palapad. Paano ba? Paano may Tagalog yun? Ano siya? Patayo lahat. Pag lumingon ka, akin ka. Hindi ko alam. Bigyan kaya natin. Iso.
Hi.
Come on. Iba-blur natin ang likod kasi kadaming tao. Wala, parang putla na ako. Hindi na nalalaban yung ano.
Yes.
Yeah. Here.
Thank you so much, my friend.
Thank you.
Hey, 你们应该出个 QR code 给医生看。
Bad trip. Alam mo, ikaw randun. This is the authentic Nazi. Hello po. Ra. Sabi ng mga food critic mo. Sabi ulit ng mga food critic ito, hindi matamis.
Balikan adobo.
Punta ba?
Asog pa dun. Asog pa. Sige.
Asog pa.
Ano ba yan?
Tea. Thank you. Sheshe.
May toast na sila. Samsan.
That's cute. We got orange. I think that is the Vietnam. Ay, the Vietnam. Taiwan.
Yeah.
112 pesos. Look, everyone is struggling with their money.
No deal.
Do you have a restroom here, toilet?
Correct. Yes, correct.
Thank you. Actually, ganito talaga yung ano.
Kaya nga, yun yung gusto ko makita sana dito.
Wala naman natanggal.
Parang wala na ata.
This one is 8 US dollars.
Hello? Vogs. Ay, sorry. Sino ulit yung mga nabudol? Okay, guys, day 1. Ang mga nagastos sa mga person ay mga mga mahigit ano lang naman, 10,000 each. The night market here is so nice. A lot of options. Food, souvenirs, shoes, and madaming yummy. Bugs! Ang daan, bina-vacuum. Saan ka?
Puyat na naman ang mga badin. Puyat na naman ang mga badin.
Ganun talaga. Hindi natin ito mabaho yung basurahan nila.
Bango, amoy ano?
Bakit mo ganun? At Pinas ang layo pa lang ang baho na. Ay, meron din pala.